Alrighty, guys. Yes, y'all remember this? This is the ABS module I got for my friend's minivan, which is this van out at Pull Apart. Alright, remember I told y'all I'm gonna fire the camera back up when it's time to replace it. You guys, well, a lot of guys want to know if it's plug and play. I tend to shoot that down. No, it's not. You can plug it up and it'll fire up and work, but in order for the ABS light to go off, you will have to initialize it. All right, so now guys, this is going to be fairly harder than it was taking that other one off. Remember, that other one had no facial, it didn't even have an engine in it. Talk about easy peasy. Yes, so this one I'm going to have a little challenge because I'm going to have to finagle my way. I'll probably get this out of my way. Disconnect the battery, by the way. All right, and I'm gonna move some things because I got to get down there. I need a straight shot. Remember, guys, we talking about those sensitive bolts that, like that one stripped on me at Pull Apart. I do not need that to happen to me again. So I'm gonna take my time and do it right. In fact, I'll tell you what. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull up some footage. I've got footage of me replacing the ABS module just like this. All right, you can't tell the difference. Matter of fact, there is no difference. The exact same way. So what I'm gonna do is plug in that piece of footage because I'm in a hurry right now, but just so you guys know what I'm up to. So when I get it on, we're gonna go together and initialize it. The thing about initializing it is I would need my scan tool, which is my cell phone, to be on and operating during the initiation process. Okay, so I will not be able to video that. I'm thinking I can pull up some screenshots and show it that way. I'm not sure, but we'll make it do what it do and make it work. So for now, let me go grab I think my little T20 socket is still in my bag. Remember, guys, I didn't have none of this in my way. This little tube right here, none of this stuff. Oh, it was a straight shot. So much for all the straight shotness. All right, let me get started. Let me get this battery disconnected and we're gonna get started, guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Remove the 4 screws holding the ABS module to the ABS unit. Remove the ABS module off the ABS unit very slowly and carefully. Now remove the ABS connector. Push down on the tab and release the lock. Slowly pull up on the lock as the connector separates itself. Slowly remove the ABS module. Alrighty, guys, here we are with the old one. I got it all off in one piece. Whew. It's kind of hell trying to finagle that through there, guys. All right, so we're gonna set that right there. This is the one we got to get on there, also in one piece. All right, guys, so the same way you removed it, just reverse the procedures. Okay, pretty simple, straightforward, no big deal. After we get this installed, we're gonna go drive this thing and see what happened, guys. I'm gonna try to clean this out. All right, let me go get my air hose. Remember, this comes from the junkyard, from the salvage yard. All right. The hood was open. Might have a little moisture in it. I'm gonna clean this up real good, guys. All right, y'all stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, I got it all in. Got my coil back in. Got my battery all decent connection, things like that. Now it's time for the drive. Let's get it. All right, guys, welcome back. As you saw in those clips and those screenshots, because I was on the phone, I had needed my phone to actually do the initialization. I could not film and do it, but I was, however, able to capture you guys some screenshots to show you exactly what you will be up against in the event that you have to do one. All right. You can see the hardest part of it all gonna be getting past the screen, or the part where it says you got to go between 3 and 15 miles and make a hard turn, come to a standstill, and it's gonna check for stroll, and if everything went through, you should pass. Okay, now as you can see, I'm at Lowe's parking lot, guys. That's the only area I can pull this whole thing off. All right, at least that's the only safe area. The main street, you will not be able, do not get on the main street, guys, to do initialization. I've seen guys do it in the shop. Depends on, number one, how well the ABS system is running and how well, well, it's a new module, so the new module should go straight through it. This one went through fairly quickly. So what I'm doing now, that's right, guys, you guessed it, TDC, guys, test drive chat. I am gonna drive this thing. I will start my drive right now because I have to verify that the ABS system is now working. It's not that the ABS wasn't working, it's the light was on, guys. The light, people, I don't want to belittle the importance of a light, a warning light, because they are basically warning lights, guys. They are there to warn you of things that you need to be aware of. Okay, your temperature gauge is there to warn you that your car is either overheating or running too cold at the wrong time. So all of these gauges and lights on your instrument clusters are basically warning devices. All right, guys, I'm now done with my test drive. As you can see, there are no ABS light on, guys. In fact, guys, when I did the initial vehicle's reconfiguration, the light went out, but I chose to go through with the initialization anyway. The moral of the story is, yes, that repaired the vehicle. As far as that, no response from the ABS module. Remember, guys, 3 things you need for a module to work: power supply, ground, and bus communication. So, guys, the question remains, Mr. JT, get to the point. Can you use a used ABS module? And the verdict is in, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you can. I have just gone through with that process. Okay, this is a used ABS module that I got from Pull Apart and put on this car. However, I said this before and I say it again, you will have to have a scan tool that can perform the initialization process and the test drive. Yeah, getting it initialized.